Now it's time to deploy our Node.js app and make it accessible everywhere to everyone. After publishing our code into a GitHub repository, just go to render website. Just in Google, just type render and select this option, render.com, and press here on dashboard. If you don't have an account, just create a new one. It's very easy. After creating an account, just press here, deploy a web service. Then we need to connect our Git provider. For us, I'm going to use GitHub, so I will choose this GitHub here. After this, just select your repository. Our repository was IMS, Inventory Management System. So just press here to select our repository. And we got here a unique name for our web service. I'm going to keep it like this, IMS. The language here, it's Node, because we are using Node.js. And the branch is master. Continue scrolling. Here's the command to build npm install. And here's the start command, node index.js. Select this free option and scroll down. Here's a very important step. We need to add our environment variables. So let's go back to our code, because our environment variables was not pushed to our code because it's in git ignore, so it will not be in GitHub. So let's go here to our .env file and copy the name. Here's the name. So let's just copy it and also copy the value and paste the value here. We got only this environment variable, connect string. So after adding it, just press here, deploy web service, and wait until our Node.js application is deployed. So let's scroll down to see the logs here. Now, great. We got here, your service is live and it's available on this URL. Now anyone can access our APIs. So let's open this URL. We got here error because we didn't have any endpoint in the root. So let's just add here slash and add box like this. Now you can get here the list of box. And if you take this endpoint also and go to Postman and go to our Postman and select this add new box. Now, instead of using our localhost 3000, we're going to use our render URL. And now let's try to add a new box. So let's make the box name here, new box from render, and the count is 1000. And the price, let's make it $1, and let's press send. Oops, we got here an issue. What's the issue? Count in stock. I think that's German language. It should be 255. So let's make the count in stock 50 and press send again. So validation also works. Now we got here our new box. So if you try our URL here and just press refresh here and scroll down, we got here our last box here. New box from render. The count in stock is 50 and the price is 1. And also you can try it in Postman. So here in get POC list. You can replace our localhost with our render URL and press send. And look, we got also here the POC list here. Now anyone can access our APIs and you can use those APIs for your front-end website or your mobile app, etc.